Hello everyone, my name is Neha Mittal. I'm working as an assistant professor at Ramesh Institute of Vocational and Technical Education. In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about the syllabus of drug store and business management. This is a subject in diploma second year under the Board of Technical Education. Drug store and business management, that is the DSBM, mainly divided into the two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we will study about the commerce, and in part 2 we will study about the accountancy. So we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will understand the part 1, that is all about the commerce part. First of all, we will study about the introduction part, in which we will know what do we understand by the trade, what is the industry and commerce, what are the functions and divisions of commerce, and we will see that what are the basic elements which are necessary for the economics and management, what are the different forms of any business organization, and what are the channel of distribution. So this is all this topic we will discuss in the introduction part. Then we will study about the drug house management. In this we will see that how we select any site space layout and what are the legal requirements for choosing any site space. Second, we will see that what are the importance and objective of purchasing, selection of suppliers, credit informations, tenders, contracts, price determination, and what are the legal requirements for all of these things. Second, we will understand about the basic concept of codification, handling of drug stores and other hospital supplies. In this chapter, we will study about the inventory control, what are the motive behind the inventory control, and what are the important techniques which are used for the inventory control like ABC, VED analysis. Here we will also study about the lead time, inventory carrying cost, safety stock, minimum and maximum stock level, economic order quantity. We will also add about the scrap and surplus disposal, sales promotion, market research, salesmanship, qualities of a salesman, advertising and window display. We will also discuss about the different techniques of recruitment, training, evaluation and compensation of the pharmacist. Then moving ahead, we will discuss about the banking and finance. What are the service and functions of bank, finance planning, and what are the sources of finance. Then we will study the part 2. Part 2 may basically we will study about the accounting. In this we will study about the introduction to the accounting concept and what are the conventions, double entry bookkeeping, different kinds of account, cash book. We will study about the general ledger and trial balance. Here we will also introduce about the profit and loss account and balance sheet, simple technique for analyzing financial statement, and we will also introduce introduction to budgeting. So it was all about the syllabus of the drug store and business management. Thank you.